and I was not going to spend that amount on a hair dryer that I just needed to diffuse my hair. Hi my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be getting into my curly hair routine. As you can see, my hair is done, but in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my hair. It's going to be washed already, but I'm going to show you what I apply on my hair as far as hair masks, gels, mousses, whatever like I use to style my hair and to get it to look like this. So if you guys want to see what I do for my curly hair routine on my wash days, then keep on watching. But before you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bells, and don't forget to like this video while you're watching if you really enjoyed it, because I will continue making videos like this if you do. But without further ado, let me stop talking and let's get into it. So my hair is super knotted right now, and I'm really gonna just like run through this part, but I just want to show you guys how knotted my hair gets. And you know, curly girls will understand. I'm just trying to separate it. Hold on. I wash my hair at least once a week, or every time, you know, obviously I'm going to do a wash day. So the last time I washed my hair, I think was last week, which is perfectly fine, because obviously you have your hair in curls and you're wearing it down. And with curly hair, you don't want to wash it every single day. It's just, you know, not ideal for that, for this type of hair. But if you're a curly girl, I'm sure you understand. So my hair is super knotted, as you can see, but I want to show you guys the brush that I use, and I'm just going to quickly go through the detangling process, because you know, it's kind of boring. You guys know how to detangle your hair, I'm sure. But I use the Easy Detangler, and this is what the brush looks like, and it has these like bristles that are very flexible, and I really love this for my hair. I'm telling you, so this has made it so much easier. I'm gonna link this down below so that you guys can purchase if you're interested. But let me get into this mess because my hair is looking wild. Guys, so I am pretty much done with this side, and when I tell you that it took me about 5 minutes, I'm not even lying. I'm telling you, this brush has made all the difference. So I'm gonna quickly do this, and 1, 2, and that's it. Don't we wish it was that easy. I also went ahead and rinsed out the conditioner, because I am gonna be applying a hair mask, and I didn't want those two to mix. All right, so the next product I am applying is the Sense Hydrating Hair Mask. So this product I was introduced by my hairstylist, the one that did my first curly cuts, and it was like a beautiful experience. I loved every minute of it. My hair is now like transformed. I can't wait to go back when I need another little cut, or you know, a little TLC. I will drop the details down below in the description box if you guys want to know where I went and who to go to when you do go, because I'm telling you, my hair has never felt better. So you're supposed to apply this for 5 to 10 minutes or longer if you want. When she applied it, she washed my hair, she did all that, she detangled my hair, and then she went on and applied this, and she had me under the dryer for a few minutes. I don't have a hair dryer, so I just kind of, the way I've been doing it is just applying it, putting a hair cap on, and then letting it do its work, and I'll go do like some other stuff and all that. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wrap my hair as if I'm applying it in a little tiny bun or so, and then I'm gonna take my like shower cap type thing, or like a plastic cap, and just apply this. Oh, let me show you guys the conditioner that I use. Hold up, she's back. So the conditioner that I use is the Renewing Plus Argan Oil of Morocco, and it's by OGX Beauty. And this is what the bottle looks like. And this smells amazing. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh, I love it. I love it. So anyways, I'm gonna see you guys in 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll be back. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to kind of part my hair here in the back and clip up the remaining. So this is what I took here. You don't really have to take much. You don't want the pieces to be too thick, because you really want to disperse the products into your hair evenly. That way it just comes out so much better. And I just go ahead and I separate it into 2 pieces. Okay, so for the first product, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Ouidad Curl Experts Vita Curl Tress Effect Styling Gel. So I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna go ahead and rake this through. You can actually find this at Ulta. And I'm only taking like a drop for each strand. You don't want to apply too much because this does leave a little bit of a cast, which you can actually scrunch out once your hair is dry. Oh my god, and this smells amazing. So to keep the I don't know what I'm saying. So the key to my hair coming out beautiful and everything being dispersed evenly, and for my hair to just come out like voluminous and all of that. And instead of having shrinkage, the key to that is for me not to scrunch my hair. So I don't scrunch, I just apply the product and I leave it like that. My second product that I'm gonna go ahead and apply is the AG Hair Care Cloud, and it's an air light volumizing mousse. And this is super, super lightweight, but I love it. Let me show you guys. And I just take 1 pump for each section of hair. I don't want to take too much. Depending on how big the section is, you can kind of, eye out if you need a little more, if you need a little less. I'm gonna go ahead and take over here now. So same process. I'm gonna take my detangling brush, comb through, see how that looks there. Take my gel, and I'm just gonna take a little drop, not too much, enough to coat like my hands. And then I'm just gonna take it and rake it through. And then once I do that, we're gonna do the cloud mousse. Oops. And apply this over top. This is perfect right here. This looks great. So we're gonna go ahead and continue to do the rest of my head. This is the most important part for me because this is what everybody sees when you take pictures everywhere. This is what they see. They're gonna see the back of your head as well, but I feel like put your focus on this because this is what matters. So again, I'm just doing the same process, but it's all in how you part it, and you just want to make sure that this is styled really nicely. So this is a very small piece, so I'm just gonna take like a little drop of gel. I don't want too much. And that should be enough for those little strands of hair there. So now that we have the hair styled and the products are applied, I'm gonna go ahead and get my diffuser. So I wanna show you guys the diffuser or the blow dryer that I have. So this is it right here. And it looks identical to the Dyson hair dryer, which is like $500. And I was not gonna spend that amount on a hair dryer that I just needed to diffuse my hair. So I actually found this on Amazon, and I'm actually gonna link it down below for you guys. I shared it with my Instagram family. You guys need this. It is amazing. It has all the different levels here, hot and cold here, and it just looks identical to the blow dryer. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm just gonna speed it up. Alright you guys, so my hair right now is about 95% dry. There is a little bit of pieces that are a little damp, but at this point I'm kind of gonna leave it and let it just do its own thing. But before I finish, I'm gonna do my baby hairs, which I actually forgot to do earlier, but it's fine. So I'm just gonna wet a little bit here. And then for the gel that I use, it's the Eco alcohol-free crystal gel. And I just take a little bit. I really only use this gel for this, and I feel like it works fine. Really, it's not gonna show, but if I put my hair up in a bun, or if I clip it or something, it's gonna show, so that's why I do it. And here, usually I like to take my hair and like part it back here, like tuck it back behind my ear, so that's why I like to, create little baby hairs here. So Guys, so my hair right now is pretty much all dry. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go through some pieces, make sure that there's no curls that are stuck together, because this is just gonna make it so that you have more volume and, you know, make it look even more popping. And then, because I don't want it to look so flat like this, and I want just a little bit more volume on my wash day, I'm just gonna actually, this is a nice little trick, I'm gonna turn my hair upside down, or put my head upside down, I should say. So I'm gonna go like this, and I'm just gonna take my fingers and just kind of act like a pick. Look at the difference. I know that you guys see that. You guys can see the difference. And as the day goes by, the gel cast is gonna go away, because I still do have a little bit of a cast. That will go away, and the hair will be more fluffier looking, and definitely a little more voluminous. All right, you guys, so I put on some makeup, I changed my top, and I'm ready to go right now. As you can see, it's actually like maybe a few hours later now, because I did do my makeup, I filmed another look, and my hair is now really, really voluminous. I did fluff it out for you guys, and it was, you know, soup with a lot of volume, but now as you can see, it has even more volume because everything kind of fluffed out. I ended up separating some more strands, and now my hair is at its full potential. I love it. I love my wash days now because of this routine. So I really hope that you guys take away from this routine. This is what I use for myself. This is what was recommended to me from my hairstylist when I went to go get my haircuts, my curly cut. Shout out to the Loft at Medford. I'm gonna link them down below in the description box. But yeah, so this is what was recommended to me, but I really hope that you guys, if you try it, love the products, because I feel like they would work for a couple, you know, for a lot of you guys, curly girls. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna be posting more content on here. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.